welcome back to Truly Outrageous. I'm Neil, and today we've got a monster of a video for you, pun intended. That's right, today we're gonna be drawing Godzilla from the new movie Godzilla vs. Kong coming out March 31st. No, they're not sponsoring the video, wish they were, but awesome movie, looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun to watch. But before we get into our video, I wanted to tell you guys that on this channel we are going to be posting brand new videos every Monday and Thursday. So be sure to go down below, click that subscribe button, and slap that bell. Also, we are trying to reach, for the month of March, 1,200 subscribers. And don't forget to tell all your friends about Truly Outrageous. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your brother, sister, aunts, uncles, cousin, everybody in the entire universe that you're having lots of fun and learning how to draw. But enough of that, let's get into drawing Godzilla. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on Godzilla. Clean up my paper there. So for this one, you're going to need a piece of paper, of course. You're going to need a drawing utensil. I'm using a marker so that it's easier for you guys to see. But if you want to use a pencil or a ballpoint pen or a crayon or something like that, whatever's most comfortable for you, go ahead and do that. Okay, and then we get to the coloring step. This is the color palette that I'm going to be using to color them in. Feel free to copy this or choose your own colors. Okay, let's get started. So the first step, you're going to put your drawing utensil down and you're going to take your page and you're going to fold it in half. And yes, I am stealing my daughter Juliet's idea that she did with the shark because it's a really good idea and it's really fun. Okay, so split that in half, fold that, and then you're going to make another crease. You're gonna fold this part down to the bottom of the crease that we just made. And then we're gonna make another crease all the way down the center here. Okay, let's get drawing. So the first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna draw Godzilla's nose. So it goes a little something like this. We're gonna start over here. We're gonna draw a diagonal line up like this and stop there. Then we're gonna draw another diagonal line over to about there. There's a little bit of a dip, and then his brow line actually comes up and stops right there. So up, over, down, up. Next, we're gonna draw his brow line. So the brow line is going to carry all the way over and into his neck. So we're gonna start here. I'm gonna pull a line off of that, go up a little bit, but then we're gonna start to go down till we get to the end of the page here. Next, we're gonna draw the top of his head. So that's gonna start right where the brow line is, and we're just gonna pull a line off of there, all the way over. Just keep that going till you get to the end of your page, and that's okay if it goes off the page. All right, next we are going to draw the cheekbone. So that's gonna be right here. We're going to draw a line up like this, and then we're going to draw a curved line out like so. And we're gonna stop there. Then there is a piece of his skin. He's got kind of like alligator skin. There's a lot of bumps and lines in it. So we're gonna draw one of those contour lines that are part of his skin. We're gonna draw that just out like this and all the way down like that. All right, next we're gonna draw the top part of his upper jaw. So we're gonna fold this back briefly because we don't wanna get any black on the fold here because it will ruin the drawing. So pull this back, and then we're gonna draw just a straight line all the way across to where the cheekbone started. Okay, next we're going to fold our paper back down, and we're going to draw his eye. So that's going to start right here. Going to have kind of a curved line up and over and down like that. And then you're going to draw another curved line under that. Then he's got some pieces of skin underneath his eye, and we're gonna draw those in. It's just curved line up like this. Another one a little bit further out. and then a third one even further out. And then we'll just top off his eyelid on top by just putting a little line there. And a little line here. Next, we're gonna draw his nostril. So that's just a straight line down like so. Then you're gonna go up like this, diagonal like that, and then you're gonna come up into that first line that we just drew. And then color the center section in black. Okay, so now we're going to do the lower jaw here. What I want you to do if you're using a marker is you're going to just take a piece of paper. I'm just gonna slide that out there for a second. You're gonna take a piece of paper and you're gonna stick it right in between there. Like so. And that way, when you're using your marker, it doesn't bleed through to the inside of his mouth that we're going to do a little bit later. Okay, so let's draw that jaw. That's gonna start right here, and we're gonna pull a line down to there. Then we're gonna pull a line across like that. And then he's got this big round thing on the back of his jaw there because he's got a lot of muscle in there, I guess. So we're gonna curve a line out and over, up. And then we're gonna keep this line going up into the cheekbone there. Next, we're gonna draw some teeth. So these are just kind of some upside down shark fin shapes. So we'll just go like this. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna speed this up so you guys don't have to sit there and get bored. Next, we're gonna draw his neck. So that's gonna start at the end of the chin here, and we're gonna pull a line down like this. Just keep that line going down to there. Then he's got some indentations in his skin, kind of like the lines that we drew over here. So you're just gonna curve a line like that, curve a line like that, but then when you get to this third one, you're gonna go up and curve, up, curve, and up, and curve. Next, we're going to do another line series, kind of like up here. So there's like 3 lines on the side of his head and then on his neck. So this is gonna be the third line. It's gonna start about right here. And we're just gonna pull that down like that. Then we're gonna jump up and connect these guys here. So we'll just pull that line all the way down like so, and pull the line down off the page there. And Godzilla's got some gills because he lives under the water. So we're gonna draw those in right now. So it's just a curved line like this, going up into there. 1, 2, same thing. And let that go off the page. So there's gills. Then we're gonna pop up the head again, and we're gonna put his plates on. So the first set are kind of like shark fins, but as we get further down the neck here, they're gonna be a little bit more organic, and I'll show you what I mean. So we'll just start off here at the top, little shark fin, bigger shark fin, and then we start to get into the organic shape. So up, curve up like this. We're gonna curve in like this, curve up again like that, and then we'll just give an indication for the other side like that. So this is a smaller plate, and we're gonna put a bigger one behind it. So right here, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go up, we're gonna curve in, and we're gonna curve over. Okay, I'm gonna slide my protection paper out. Now we're gonna do the fun part. We're gonna open it up. Here we go. Stretch that out like so. Give it a little pat down here so that the paper lays a little bit flatter. Okay, so we're going to continue these lines in the skin all the way down. So we'll start here. We'll just draw a line going all the way down, connecting to that bottom line. Same thing here. Draw that line all the way down to there. And then he's got his jawline. That's gonna go all the way down like that. Next, we're going to draw a little bit of flesh inside of his mouth, kind of connects the upper and lower jaw. So we're just going to curve a line out here. We're going to start right here at the lower part of the upper jaw, and we're just going to curve a line down like this, and just keep that going all the way to the bottom, like that. Then we're going to draw a straighter line down. It's got a little bit of curve to it. Not too much though, all the way down. Next, Godzilla's got some gums, so we're gonna put in some gums in his mouth. So that's gonna start right here. We're going to pull a line down like this, and then we'll just do those shark fin shapes like we did before down here on the bottom. So that's gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna speed this up so you guys don't get bored. All right, next we are going to draw in Godzilla's teeth. So same thing here, we're just gonna have another shark fin shape come out from the gums here and then at the bottom as well. So I'm gonna just give you a couple just to get you started, and then I'm gonna speed it up. So we'll start up here. We'll draw a line down like this. One tooth, two teeth, and then on the bottom, same thing. Shark fin shape up and down and up and down. And then I'm gonna speed this part up so you guys don't get bored. All right, last little part here, we are going to complete the lower jaw here. So it's just some lines connecting the teeth to the jaw. So it's like this, and like this, and just keep those going across so that the jaw looks complete. All right, next we're gonna draw probably my favorite part, the atomic fire. So it's just gonna be some squiggly lines here, and I'll show you what I mean. So you're just gonna start right at about here, just kind of draw some squiggly little lines like that. Just keep those going across, all the way across, and stop right at the little fleshy part of his mouth. Same thing on the bottom here. Just gonna do some squiggly lines all the way in there, between the teeth. Just keep those going all the way through. All right, there's your line work for Godzilla. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, why do you never see elephants hiding in trees? Because they're so good at it. Okay, now on to our coloring step, and we're gonna do that in super speed, starting right now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored Godzilla. Let's try him out. All right, so let's fold him back up. There he is, looking normal. Oh, but then he gets really mad and... I want to thank everybody for joining me on this draw. I had a lot of fun doing it. This is gonna wrap up this video here. Remember to go subscribe to the channel. Remember, we're trying to reach 1,200 subscribers by the end of March. Don't forget to tell all your friends about Truly Outrageous, and don't forget to have a great day wherever it is you are. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.